Hello friends, today in this session I'm going to show you different curly shapes in Arabic Mehndi design. So in the Arabic design we are usually draw different styles of flowers, then some curly shapes. So for good perfection we need to work more and more number of times. So let us start with the basic shape. Okay, now this is the inner part and this is the outer line. Now with the parallel of this line we are going to draw 4 lines. So draw lines parallel with this line. So slowly make parallel lines. 4 parallel lines we need to draw. Here I am not going to show you complete full hand or full leg Arabic design. This is just the part of Arabic design that we are usually put in Arabic design. Third and the remaining one is 4. Okay, so these are the 4 parallel lines. Now to complete these, first we are going to work dot with the first line. Then with the second line we are going to draw some shape, and with the third and fourth line, with the combination of third and fourth line, just fill this little leaf. Now for the better finishing, just work tiny designs with this last line. So this is the one way of curly parallel designs. Now again just redraw to make it more thick and attractive compared with this parallel lines. Now I'm also again to show you different styles. Now with the basic of leaf pattern, this is the second method shape. Now again with the outer shape we are going to work for the parallel lines. This is the first parallel line. Second. Third. Fourth. 5, 6 and 7. Just observe, I have repeatedly decreased the length of each line. So now here I am going to draw like this. Now here for the finishing, just work this design. Now at this point, just assume some flower is there, so you can just complete this design like this. Here also just assume some flower is there. Now to fill this part, there are two techniques with the traditional design or shading, but shading is applied in the small parts like this. But here for this part I am going to work some traditional design to fill this shape. For here I am going to start my design from this part. In the previous one I have started design from the corner part. Okay, so this is the basic curly shapes. Now this is the right sided parallel lines we have used. Now here finishing part is remaining, so you can extend like this for the finishing. Just put dot and extend it. Put dot and extend it. Again put dot and extend it. So similarly just complete this. Now next we are going to draw parallel lines, left sided parallel lines. So again for the practice session, first draw basic shape. Now next I am going to draw parallel lines. So draw parallel lines with this outer line. Still I am not good in this parallel line session. Okay, so 4 parallel lines I have completed. Now next I am going to show you the different varieties of ending of this parallel lines. See the variation I have added. Now here I have used dot and this tiny leaf. Here method is changed. Different size of parallel lines I have used, and here I am just using this thick shape. Now for this last line I am going to work this design. Now from here you can use just repeat this design till the end. Till the end of this line. Just make half circle, put dot, make another half circle parallel with the inner one, again circle, put dot, make another line parallel with the circle and just design. Similarly, okay, now to complete these, just draw tiny leaf between each two design. Okay, so here we have completed the outer work for this Arabic design. Now let us work for the inner part. Now I am going to start from this point. Now in this design, somehow I am going to work which match with this outer work. Now just redraw this shape to make it thick and more attractive compared with the outer lines. Again assume some shape at here. Now next technique, with some spiral shape. This is the basic, and now I am going to draw some parallel lines compared with the outer shape. Okay, so I have completed 4 lines, 4 curly lines. Okay, now next is how to complete this. So there are different methods. Now here just draw this way. Okay, now in this one again I am going to draw some tiny designs. Now draw for the outer line shape. Now for more perfect finishing, just press your cone and make this to this particular part thick as I am doing. Just observe it. So it will look more pretty and stunning. Okay, now in this inner part I'm going to do shading. So for that, just work this parallel line, apply some tiny designs. Now in this inner part I'm going to apply shading like this. Now in this shading, press your cone little bit, not hard, and just spread it like this. If the shape is like this, then you need to apply shading like this. If the shape is square, then apply shading. Just make sure while applying shading, the outer shape will remain as it is. Now for the better finishing, again redraw. Just redraw this shape. So these are the basics curly shape that we are using in Arabic or traditional design. So thank you for watching and subscribe my channel for more creative tutorials.